As a hurricane approaches, how we react and prepare can be influenced by our behavioral styles. Understanding these differences can help us navigate the storm more effectively. Hi, I'm your Success with People Academy coach. In this video version of our Success with People newsletter, we explore how the 4 core behavioral styles, dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness, respond to the impending threat of a hurricane and the common pitfalls each might face. First, let's look at the dominance behavioral style. Individuals with this style are decisive, direct, and assertive. When a hurricane threat looms, they are quick to take charge and make decisions. Their strength lies in their ability to act swiftly and confidently, ensuring that plans are in place and everyone knows their role. However, the pitfall for dominant styles is the tendency to overlook details and dismiss others' input. This can lead to incomplete plans and missed critical information. Next, we have the influence behavioral style. These individuals are enthusiastic, creative, and persuasive. In the face of a hurricane, they excel at rallying people and keeping morale high. Their ability to bring people together and maintain a positive atmosphere is invaluable during stressful times, but their pitfall is a potential lack of focus on practical details. They might underestimate the severity of the situation and fail to prepare adequately. Now, let's discuss the steadiness behavioral style. These individuals are patient, reliable, and supportive. They shine in providing consistent support and maintaining calm during the storm. Their strength is in their dependability and their ability to keep things running smoothly. However, their pitfall can be responsiveness to change. They might struggle to adjust to rapidly changing conditions. Finally, the conscientiousness behavioral style. These individuals are analytical, detail-oriented, and systematic. They excel in having a well-prepared checklist and ensuring all preparations are meticulously planned. Their meticulous nature ensures that no detail is overlooked and that preparations are comprehensive. The pitfall for the conscientiousness behavioral style is the potential for overanalysis and indecision. They may become paralyzed by the details, be wed to the plan, and fail to make timely adjustments. Understanding these behavioral styles and their potential pitfalls allows us to better prepare and support each other during a hurricane threat. By leveraging our strengths and being mindful of our weaknesses, we can navigate the storm more effectively. Remember, no matter your style, preparation and communication are key. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe. The Success with People Academy helps individuals, teams, and their organizations to navigate life's challenges more effectively. Contact us at info@successwithpeople.org.